So we been a bit been para dit loben and we bed the same kid mo beru ki kwena ki kololo ka chane so don ko doko kon chen nil por don tima nok ke chike ngol gimo ki ken ma don no don work tea on the table any advice ma ka pupiti chawane but abi miyo chalo kita no mer ko bet kere gimo ki ken ma don ko ki chwal no don work tea on the table plan ke kwanya wen you know ni ke kwanya wen en nyene mala ming to twali ku no chengi waya ala we madit hanka don di ma luko ma nywa ka yini ngene ala we madit why are you not putting my name in the list of the bigots you know them ken we ala uma na ko kari la uma ya kan we me ko mala ma Uganda na winyo ki temo ne ki kok ki Kampala ka jane mer pe ki ngamwa doggi mer pe ko ngame do wa doggi me a chiel peron wa le wor puru ba chu wale te ba hona ko imbe peru chu wale kake kweri ki kingan kuno nuti ki momu nyuru inu ki kindan kuno ne yin ki gang un pori be wa ki riemu ki kuno kindan kuno ne ana fo riem ma riem ko tin ki kujane because these are the very people bene ma riem ko ne these are the very people ma are blocking one ki kanyen ne
be apoy ritual apoy in my lubuwai platform Meluo Television Africa atie ki la we madit producer madit in northern Uganda ma anana very smart yellow Angeoni yopeti Rwamala mal to 12 biono pa President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ya Churi sub-region. Mabu chako donyo ki ya muro ni anripiara rio medue meapa eni. So watamu ni machara wachila we madit ya Chuli da producer madit ya Chuli ma we ni rooted in culture kilo party members ma pool to 12 watamu ni wanyang kibotin la dit city boy. Kid Mautika yupekere me biono pa President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
Ana foye tutuan atiki we ma makeloni Museveni pakalaj sido chana para werne yeni pewa bebere ki chama laj tutuan. Malube ki interview ma make ma pa inkombe ki an patiki ngej mo tutuan chalo an pe bino para dit lobo bara winya ki loka boka ngeo ka gimone peke wachi direct no winya kai ni donye tio tika winya never da winya na jumona na wo duanu beda winya ba nyo nyig loke pe ni ang nyo tien loke no pe ni ang me loko lok ma da bino para dit lobo kan wana tika winya ne ni no ne ko mbe pangeo ko mbe do yin lok pode waja mabe eno kada anda tia winya ne en an charo la we madit party engage mo ken ikom bino para dit lobo ba kare ki kare mo ka wano tute to ne wan ben ko ket wa ko beti program para dit lobo bien ki logo ne the way mer ki coinge we ko coin mobilizing qui para dit lobo ma to ale dogi ne mo ga ne no ne mer ki we ko bet region ki region ka chala wan in northern kan wan to the way mati northern kan or bet region ma me ko chi western chi kamoni central something like that and an port party engage mo ken work no you party ka going on you know Baleo, Unionoti are going on Ernodong and Kitachon Kitimo Kereni, Mano Peki Mionge Kijo, Mano Mer, the right people, Mamero Gubeti on the ground. Kiweo down on it.
Now, one only angle way tea you boga chokagi, ma you only to toilet Europe president. Un machalu way, Kai you moti, you give moti, unung winning mobilization palaway beruning.
Mobilization palaway no Pole Kitachon, Kidmana analogo previously. Bien primero wa log in manyen kin ma chon ma ono angeo kere mano lu we me ko mala me Uganda ti achiel tite umbrella chiel la won kom ga chiel uno wan kirweo dano ka jo mati kid gum kimene gi ngech day before ka jo mati agago pien no wa log for region chala Chuli sub region jo lati le mo jo mati gulu kan jo mati gulu city jo mati agago jo mati kamone kimio ngech chiro mabe no be lo wang jo lo wang office palu weki district e on be notie uno chon ki miyo nge turu office e ono unyo ka chalo au ka chalo anda ket ni anati paket ka anati kim joma at least at dan don ari iwe ko mala me Uganda kan I am one of the people maki go ira magu chim o mera tie da bole chale kar chalo chai gi timo gi no ngeo chai duane nera nera tini na wa ko ka tie ya yin ma ni an ka chok digi tie ba ka chok ni makite ne tie ba sia makite ni ka makite na agenda me lok me ka chok ne beru kuman er dong by then pa watin dong lo ada be ka ngej mo peke ma anano ma tie no wano tie te lodge pa o chai ge ma o chai ti one of the executive members palo we watie mano ngej ma wa kare ka bedi je muke no petime kita no mer kitime inge kit pa dana ni jame point parom ber marom but at least no nge mago dano maka inong pe no chawaye chi report chi ni a wa mi nge ngari kuman wa ni en gima kit en video en yo dio en wa en pe o report en kuman donc ni chak ko ber chawane report mo ken pere wan no watie chala od ma dong wi yam olo chi dong ti kuman no to twale an ko bere makana winye ne yu pala dit lo botika bino mega bino ko mala me Uganda kan no mera beri kin dano magit bil ka jolo la dit lo bo me achel anari abero ana wero te kare mala dit lo bo enni ti tela ne ana cha ko we kar ma konti telum title where album ma chel gudule kon duk pajo a wero kare e
ron po widano ye
sample yes oh nyo mera duk pajo ba wa jolo in lokwi lobo la nyo wa mera duk pajo ba achule tinde no chano mera duk pajo ba. That is the title. That is the kind of the song. Angero aware be chon. Jamen the lyrics no mukeno don't will we out. But the title per album kilwoni coin duk pajo. Achako music away kare e one. We were there in the system music. Ubini kar me bola gibino enemy. Don't be one tienga ho. Ka we make sensitizing, ki mobilizing dano, ki me dano information. Ubino la wo maja kar me luj wa ubino one tienga we in the system. Of recent pandemic corona. One we are also there in the system. Mawa wero wa konyo ko government matia dada. Pienka yene no mo chene ma wana cherka di studio, chala anatiki studio. Lo we maka na chera listing we maka wero me corona, nyo me a pandemic nyo je ma pora to warane. Ka listing is more than even 40. Ma peke chulu piera ania offering studio ma mega me konyo community ma make pa an, me konyo region ma make pa an. Pieni pingo wano wanero ni kapa timu be kumano konyo be koyo pagamente. Kado ko be gamente bino ki mwaka bino ki yoba kichel i region ki mwaka after 5 years kichel kuman. So no mera ki luong dano lo mugo la bange poko nani la we madit unyo matidi unyo manene pien ma chel ko ma chel yob me kui ene pagamente ene pe poko ne la we matidi nyo la we madit ma chel ena yeni ma pia tekni in la bol kui me Uganda. Manu gina pia tek ma kenena ene malo eno chalo ana bol kui. Anna tira bol kui atia nywele me Uganda bera bol kui tien madua ata andong nen chal sopa bol kui dong chuchok tien ki bij madong ana dog dong dan madit kuman a bol kui dong tien ki bij en ma de rabin bera bi bolo pena mo ma cherba nyawe wen tie jam na wen tie gi moy ken be tie ati bera nywele me Uganda now ko do dugu chal jam makit eneni ki poko kindano ko pingo bien ka ina mo more ka gok gina peke timulu mugo che romo poko ne gene after all eni ki mere eni ki mere en ki luoni luwe me ko mara me Uganda la wa chen we la uma na foyo ka la uma ya ka luwe me ko mara me Uganda na winyo ki temo ne ki kok ki Kampala ka jane mere peke ngamu doggi mere peke ngami do doggi me a chel peron wa le wor pour ba ci walete ba ngone kon imbe peru ci walli kake kweri ki kindan kuno noti ki momu nyuru inu ki kindan kuno ne yin ki gang un pori be wak riemu ko kuno kindan kuno ne ana fo riem ma riem ko ten ki ko jane because these are the very people bena ma riem ko ne these are the very people ma are blocking one ki kan ne an ke ne mo mod bena kay ni ki loop kin me we ben ko ni ki don musical ni an na pe bo kan musically ene ni musically ene ki wera ki miela ene nyore go ne na pe bo. Say, why always I am not there. Why always I am not there. And these are the upcoming artists and the fake artists. Magi binga gambling weki studio ani ba konyo gi kado kin kicher ki doke loke lwenyi kom andoke ne ki umdong nana mo ken chalo kit eno. So ani ya pa yom ma yu paradit lobo me binu pa en pien gin kiti nalegi but an chalo an ki jo ma be tiki koke kom yuba chelene an pa bi chwako binu pala ditlo bon pe ben yabe beri yom me a chel remember ne wano ti te kar me campaign ma ke chuno kui ki chu an kara ti la NRM fine ka pe lo kere ma be cha mo kene ti ben ma cha mo kene wiya chiro onyo pien pete lo kene do ka anati oti do yine goya kere yi mira inwara kere yi mira pien anati ni do awok ben cha mo maromo a cha chero to ota chien cha chera beri chena mediki kuona ini mediki kuone pien ne wano ti kan te ko tie dano ma pegin luwe pe o ngwen wayam go do matron ki patron par we me ko mala me Uganda and don't right lo ka gimo bino tika nyutika bino ma ko luwe me ko mala me Uganda Pepe na katane. Kali elgine John betie dog magin ki yenyo John makirayo chen ne nena way. John gitie. Pegira amera tu jenyi ngatimo. But all in all, one we are living in this same small town. Kingeo kom kingeo gen. Maka yini ngeni yini tiki lok eone. Nyogina kit yini tika timo kari yenyim dano. Peo do nyo studio mani ma chiel. Okay, maybe itila rimle wemo. Unyo ite umbrella pala we mo cho woro kere cher kaneno kere studio ti kere ngagene but in pela we you don't have any content maramo mobilizing dano an ma wer wa kumana me Uganda chera go show we Sudan ne o look it one creativity ma na timone every in pero mo cho la na chiel mobilizing dano me peje ke ken ko nge ka go drawing attention kom in che nyaro ta dano chala ane pingo tij ma wano tiyo no me chawane ka do ngamente binu kuman wano bet share one will bet doma doma one anga go dok tumpene ki pokin the way sub region what can do what take district adi actually sub region what take municipality adi what take cities adi down poko dok pen no mbere berikin jo executive committee no I am the very passion ka lok chala lok pian gan madon ke luenyo ke ko madon loyo we ka cha mano berika chok me o beri yub me gene me corona ngo mo konye kar me corona wa abir chende mo aki office pala dit salim sale eni ober la logamo. Because of that la loga erpa actually bene Steve ubino ki kampana cho wene ubino bene meka warta ki ngeo kal ngata dong dit no dit Steve bene ne la we mena ma ol ka a kube kere se tenan me kena chalo anati we kanye ka wa chiri office pala dis salem sele bene peke binana pen this is not my region anga immediately ngati mo to go na shimti ti saloon mo tu karanjero ka chane ni jal sit be ti studio by then no studio ti ko pa ka chane Nyero bini studio bara yal CB ABC dia way okay it's okay nga onyuro ID na anti timo gina anti timo gina mako films ki kampala ka jane way ba wan ngeo ka penti matek what can we do wa beru pen a chako luongo luwe wa beru wan dano Pierre de e group wa eone luwe Pierre de eone bene ko beri kin jo magiti ka wek ni an mer pa nge report be en giti kin jo eone dano Pierre de eone ana ber ko luwe ni Pierre de ki ko ra chala an won kom awa no what is way forward mio gima megwa wo chako nying group megwa wa chiro ma wano chiro goyo we ma we eni be poti we chano be pe wo chano chen me no ma be wa goyo ye we ero lu we ma kan winya ni workshop te ali mia bi ali mia de ali mia de wano goyo ma we pe be ke lu we workshop we wa ye ke chere ke we lo wano lu ke we ne ke lu ni gena ke lu ne about is talking about environment kidok we a chel ti we about the environment kidong gina o person well creation no way one kid those of young man 40 around no o person well creation and a better producer and a better a part of songwriter and a better part of a performance artist more recording bene yeah at the same time and a better chalo won't come what you we what Salim Saleh one kid Steve Kaki ordering Sylvia Warren to facilitate us with 30,000 million Uganda shilling. Mano be openly kibiri kitinyagi studio kachana akwanyo Flexi de Banton. Akwanyo Maria akwanyo kili we mukwen warinyo chiri Stand Big Bank akwanyo million Pierre de kimi chiago man. Wow, wadoge studio kama uberia. Dani ya pin Timaraj or Timaraj kitimo ada an kijana wano kwanyo million apa wa miyo ki Steve. Ni Steve pianki wajibani ka wa mako video wene cheno kibich mini wadoge another 40 million. Kaka kwanya million apa wa mi sing Steve renyo kishiling watin million Pierre yo mudong ali mia bija ching wano weng wa ana diti dok ali mia bija jayon pat eni gi kindano wani city boy gina kite ngatimo wa yampot potimo magali Pierre yo for your hair time appreciation mamega eno na ka inde neno kombere gimatika time kani tela ke tele jalo ko tele pa jo eni what is the benefit. What will be your legacy of your leadership? Ngoma ini bin don kere ma be kinying maraj ki don ka ko ko mi mon eni ene jalo yuga ko mi unyo ka ko kinying ene jalo yuga because commercial one wing watiki twero meti mone watu ero ki noni wo ko mi peron be dal makara yo nyo achiel won ko be achiel so ana no meni anda nero ni pe ko ma don dit loyo ki ko malo me Uganda kan te ki luongo gi mo ke don ni gin palwe that is another war. That is a fight. That is a problem already. Look at being paladit lobo any one aku you can way me kumala Uganda go be when you can buy in pen. Okay, though they are not going physically fighting, but you will hear the message going out soon, very soon. Muken ke bini go ki studio bara. And to take a more pay my bill morning, the way paying on the way they are peacefully, they are friendly. Gin Adama can share a more can kill a water chill bogolo kamo can take it or give more pin pap command. Madon Lonely way meet ye. Mana meet Lutella, Madon or Kong Motella Madon. They have to see the way of bringing other things direct to artists. Otherwise, can't pay me joke walking all he killed long Nika Malame Uganda, Malame Uganda, guy chuli.
Now,
group money.
Wanano tell Leo Berutima tech, Madai Karama walk, Berutie.
Yeah.
Walk. Karamagi kilo loke down rupe matak mada ento any dog given take a bino borgama.
Yes.
Pe no wajipian the way mo kana be chwingi pe yom wana the way mo mondo go koro the likes of Maria ni gi sideline ngien the way mo mono bene the way mo pull tie wana no ghetto boys and men no ki wear ki pulling crowd tending matak madani mo kana way gen bene gi peye pe na wa indoctor tuguno tele lo ke walk gama ngagane
no, we do automatic we do Pien, okay, and bene a very kin. Okay, and over our kin association group al way more can make I've been there. Then kick and I can ring. I the carpa officially, you know, baby nana for some time to the penny winning at Delta Mogo Pere. Cargati platform Mogo Pere around Elo Bene because I know a nano direction kita jam work right. I can't win ko kokoti kom gamma. Koko beri kom gama mado wanaka neni lokama loko niti there is like 3 to 4 people. Most of them giaki group make duone gama. Pien giti ke wani gen giti kil we mon magin gi managing. In remember in managing the way I am. She don't kai wani wa in be tiki twere kom gin palo we she pin popet go danye. Pien popet giti ka hosting the way mwaka almost more than 40 years. Every unity managing the way I see again command, Opet Gitika hosting 1,000 of artists. Very carrying now, being both Jumagi, Ginegi Jomagi loyal. Okay, when the PN better chocolate when you better manage by the way money. Anywhere in the middle, the obstacle for the way when you put Badana wing, she only know in going on. So, Peroma DT Gamma. Kainero Anakarman, the last meeting, Manatimuki Gamma, Anati very intelligence. I never join me Mukenek Chak. Kamana Lung, but it's not good to call the name of someone. Because one people take a piducoting at Timon. But in Meringen, in don't call Guru Committee and Kitian, in you come a pegonity. Don't in young ama in a beru. In there about Beruki Mirmaja Maduomba, Chamokan the Keluki Niga Makelu Digma, Achena Kilutini. You almost surviving Gireloyo, Piani, Ipale Palakistele, Ero Digima Kelukas Kilutini. Gina one merwa ye on Manok Metiken ye wego yingi, Kidong ye pokil worry. The man ka bomb Kimoya bomb Nyoka Jalo Jamukan bomb, Ponjo Kaoti, Madon Picking Never Kamaguti here. PN bomb be blasting no more Madun, Pierre Mapping Never Kamati here, Conquer Jack here. So Koma did Madon Combetima did don't put lawyer wing Tiki Gamma. Do get work by Tiki my Meggie, Gimbe no Tiki my Meggie. Bien, watching Kumarame Uganda can get 100% peke, including even me. But I'm put Paber la tela, Mama Patkila Telmanane, group man watching it. My ben good benefiting Chen and Poku Tumkidi or Kenya Ane Kaki Pen Flexi the Banton, Pen Giant Part, Pen Kitty Face, Ben because Ginwengo Bertelocha, Pen Maria Egg, Wang or Poco Chen Kidiot, and I don't leave me a bitch Maria Egg at Moken. 30 members when we went back with 500,000 because no what time when you work no chain on error because in your kind of what 6 money ran lockdown 2022 nana why so I'm running at Moko because my chill koma chill ko kwong yin o gi mon ma pot pe chamo e no di chako chamo ne you only enjoying but not the yin okay nena way an ko mbere chane ko no chen ko bin ko no gamete ko bin ko kel chen ko we tim performance ko tim ngo dire ne tum dok ko way no wa dok ka chel ma be lo none of them that are doing even a some plan o me ko ka chara awon ko mata fale a chara wil ngoma a chara nen yo mo go me chir ka chula ten luka mo tika mon gi wer dire ile binero o wino kanyo ko bi ponkere I chupa dit kanyo design you know now like make a chara me ro pon kuman now that is what we are fighting for. Why don't you fight for something? Man, no, you leave it for your for your people tomorrow. And come here, man, logo na tiki gang, mama na nok mate TV. In fact, muken gang, muken tiki kum kajane. Makarga do apere, you gimo dia. Karwa yimi, you can come up to my home. You been interviewing and atata er no mega. Loyo in metika kiki kan iti wat mom una bore ye. on mamal ay niken you don't have even that vision of ni ka you take chene pa luak ba cha tim ki gimo ka ga dong luak mero chene gi itwa ka chiri chat gi na ye ka bi do ka chene pa luak gi no wa chene be gi tim be pere wa chene be no pe unity ni no weng no ti kindano kan e mero be ni mero no chene ni no weng for what.
Now,
so let's accept ni
kai no chance me loki Richard Todwong ma anti secretary general pa party NRM
yes
malupa ki biono pa president ini no wachi tamango me romi na ki Todwong kit ma mobilization me robet kwede kit ma mero gi ye kere luwe pian wanen ni luwe ya chuli ye kan dong dit mada amur ke kan luwe mati ikina mur ke nyu gitie mago bini sit na gitie no ya district o wen gagu pa degi kuja ni wen luwe be tie kidong luwe mo ni mangene o be matak meda gitie tamango me twaro mi no ki secretary general
ang no amera nen kuman adit secretary daruma did doka decision make we in wing teaching and when you make we in wing because and we are poor karma wano shero anya ana jara jami fall wano shero delegate by NRM ana jara chen na penina rio ipenye we ana pingo chen ne kuma ana jara kum chen penina di chen penina rio because ma chen chachi komwa me ario delay ti gina mo iken madong doktung botwa chido kino nge ana maro with money when time is money dan go to pay ga ko ento twan planning we will look and ndong me ngo mukenne chen mo me penina yo cannot stop me moving gina amela white killer dit to don any kan oni la dit in no en dan me ya choli kan en nge ma be adito don nge ka chan bo chwala we Kampala achara we jeme na radio na ma committee wala ingeo ana ki kind of person ma padaka insisting donc ni ngari ngeo ngado to twal ingeo mi ngat mon private si ma make pa en bene donc lega na tibo la dito donc ni wek lu we pegu to bekin gitu twal wek bino pala dillo ku bet piano ni mara dillo foyo to donc ki kololo ka chane e kidma organizing ki yup en para yup eno chero te mekere atigi anene ki wa awinyo ki ira so we been been para dit lo en we be the same kid mo be ro ki kwena ki kololo ka chane so don ko do ko kon chen ni por don tima nok ke chiki ngol gi mo ki ken ma don no don work tea on the table any advice ma ka po piti chawane but abi mi yo chalo kitano mer ko bet kere gi mo ki ken ma don ko ki chwa no don work tea on the table plan ke kwanya wen she ki chak ni ya gago luwe madon tia pa a beach ki yergi mukeno berite a beach eone e Kidgum district luwe madon tia pa a beach madon ki ku leading in mukeno berite jo eone cheki woto ko wen ka wen ya shuli sub region te don kelo ne ya shuli sub region watiki toto nama paluwe tie aliba pa now aliba pa ene mo seven be pibin ka timo campaign ya shuli wen da wa chel worbe dok en district nyo sub I mean city nyo municipality then ki neno kid me separating jami eone ya jikina chenne magi bi miyo kilu we ene ana neno me jami ana apoyo ni jami ko doka ching moñ apoyo ni ka jami te ching moñ wor mo ne berutie ki kwan chenne kalu magi bi miyo ki facilitating kilu we piene ne pe chenne chol ene do ko fo ki chani mo me baro me timo gi mo ne chenne fo ki mi chenne ching da dit moñ mo ko mi facilitation kilu we man lube ki district ero gi madon ko be ki implementing dong ti table ni ene program pa we me ko mala mi Uganda eno porana ti disagree ni this a fake ki ngolo ki chak yup ni tit ni por don ki mi yor because ka chala an acha we wa yam apere me na dido musse an petit ni mo ana we por la wuma ja kui pa musse mu karne acha mali mi adi ali mi ario wa yam musse ko beri kom ki we ma na we na acha mali mi ario wa reo chiru we moro ki ba ki bini min wali mi chela kali papa mi di ma chama dok wa wa chiru we to ana dok the next day mi wali mi chela watini kuona mo seven to hotel for 40 years acha mali mi are ken ki tel pa mo seven ki music ma ana I've been working for it more than 25 years and I was been helping the people of government make ki ko mala me Uganda kan by giving my offer by sensitizing people by saying right now man look na we make loni song am bene kayini dok tun ko maro ka jane pa de ka gago ka jane we any ni almost top 20 ka wen radio station wen and ki penya bene atimo with my heart I did not even consult even to Odwong, you couldn't call I wear women can did when you couldn't come by NRM district. I did it for the love of my country and for the love of my government, for the love of my president. But at the end of the time, one know what's out, one know what's out. What talking can come on the cherry ball queen, being doggy cock, ma, to Odwong Kong, Kin Raven. Gin ma donki chwal kuni wen gin ma tikwo gin ma aki gama jo ma goti wan gin ti won compare wen these are the fake people jo ne lu rim lu we aye they are the friend to the artists kan oni gin ti lu we pe an fa beri kin gi kuno ki lu ma ma beri we ko ma ma yo gana kan kila lo ki tuan ko kere because a lo gin ma no lere chwinya to twal so ana pe gi lo ma duong pa ma ana ngeo ni kaka bi romo a jiki pa ko wa eno doko be bere cheke pa ko ba jo mukene bien dem ni wente aloka atia leya in pero ta ni inde bi nyar ngat moy ken kuma no ni mo dem be loka che wanga in be ko eno we ko pole ki wa ni jo mukene ko gungi ko corruption ma ko no disappointment ke dogang peri bien no ngi mana no ali mi chen ali pier bi chime ko ali mi are chime chiro gang no wala no tikato ber mana no ke frustration nego so remember ni pay ni ki je me no ka chacho work for it and bisu sokidano people kindano kat one and did command a very koma chele mo akani be anya kwanyo legend of the year. Where is my name from there? Legend artist of the year, northern region or where is my name from that list? If to ask, where is my name? Where is me from those lists of artists? The best producer of the year, northern region, where is my name from there? All of this work I'm doing within home here, not from Kampala, not from somewhere else. I'm doing it from home here, uplifting our people from here. But in terms of Yashama, no one, we are out of the program. Always, what kind of arrangement is this? So please, Todwong, please, iningeo and mabe, and iningeo kirana tiu kermatek, and kirana tiu kermatek kilu we me komar me Uganda gan. Paul the way muka kon ko be gitya dui. Me loko lo mada tekwo the way muka kon ko be gitya dui because level malo ten no kudo ngari jai. Kana no pe wa nyuti gigia tima. Pe wa mini gitija tima because keto ngan money we chako we mabe chako lungo no show is like I've offered for him or a job. I offer a job to many artists in northern Uganda. So I cannot be always neglected by like this. Gimoy can know I am out of it. Gimoy can know city boy pay. And don't down Rome. I conquer work so Mokomano Karcha team can take war. Magan Ragadigi Binukani. Nanmano or local Bino no ape, now no ape, go on a chim and kill Sam. Why are you not here? Why we are here almost 2 weeks for workshop. Where are you? No bangi work can you imagine? So you know and yene mala ming to twali ku no change you ala we madid hanka don look man you are can you ala we madid why are you not putting my name in the list of the bigots? You know them. Huh? Can you ala we madid why are you leaving me outside? He can repeat the same thing. I think he's abusing me. But one day I need to approach him very seriously. Because these are the very passion my and anybody anywhere one thing will put him appearing. And any who know brainwashing and could look a very big our own artist in the region. Now go and look for my name. Baby no can we choco. When your baby no we can't go no pay completely come again. Let the table dito wrong. Kwainen unen mabe kong dore kin me chako tikilwe because jam matika bini sing the way me komara me Uganda be kelo to. Amer para loka dwo one tuwa ki wek monyu tikilwe. Ki wek monyu tikilwe. So jam make choy komberchan make bichwala bol. Tela did lo bino once. Don't probably do. Why campaign ma bino dig my channel man kono lo man ya don kwek eno kati kado karo ana chera bul kwi kikechi ya no peluke kan wen ma berga tichi peluke kan wen ma berga timo jom pigamento na da chera bul kwi no no kumano ero populare ana jikama do mera waje eneni la we mo pe wi ku dog ding ni en kinywale city char giti city kan aya anyway ko jone don kitika handling down according to the city status ni ati luwe mano magi wero style mano pa joma ko city ni luwe wengu doctrine district gi ki chit no in ki district ki kunu kono ya ki kwene chet ke tik program pagamento ki kuno duka meri ki timo business ki city kan eni gi no we one way ko pen we mo ka tiki ngang kuno makitika we tiki pulling we crowd ma be tiki fan be ma be rada ma no ni support be tima be romo gathering down pe la didlo ba be eni no only because ni un wine un ko ki town kan ki city kan wa dogo wa romo district level ki ye dan ki district ngan man ko team dem na ki district ka kui bikaro ka yu bikaro wa dugo do city kan ka timo business lo ka we enno look any point ni te jaw gina pay don't take lawyer wing ki walk down way at their district level go and register artists from the district level we are all have our district ngat mama teo por ki por peke sito no one kind let's go back to our own district so we register ngi kuno wa la when you come like mo go do no be ni mo go be pay awa ki actually kan chamu ken so we wanted to find him who are from their district there so thank you so much.